Let's bring in our guest for this hour, who is standing by remotely to discuss. Joining us from Detroit, Michigan, national trial attorney Michael Jaafar is with us. Michael, tell me what you think about this case. It's similar to the Thompson trial that we are following also in Florida, but there are some differences, perhaps in how people may view Ashley Benefield versus how they've been viewing Marsha Thompson in a similar self-defense, battered spouse syndrome type case. Your thoughts?
It's so iconic that both of these cases are taking public attention at the same time. The difference between these two cases, obviously, is that in the Black Swan murder trial, she's only hit with a murder 2 charge, whereas Marsha Thompson is with the murder 1, the premeditated murder. The evidence obviously is different, but both of the analysis is going to be the same: battered wife syndrome, right? Obviously, also with the Black Swan with Benefield, we have the prior testimony in the custody hearings when they were fighting over their kids, and it's not known whether or not her husband yet, from what we've seen, was in a defensive posture. He was standing up. Some experts say that he was shot from the side. He was not facing her, but there's also a shot in his chest. Whereas with Marsha Thompson, it's pretty clear by now that she shot her husband while he was laying down. That doesn't mean that she's going to get convicted. It's completely different. However, both of these cases have the same. Law school professors right now are teaching both of these cases across the country in their criminal procedure classes to all of their students on the week when they educate them on battered wife syndrome as a defense, because battered wife syndrome is a complex defense. It's not as easy as self-defense. Hey, I'm a stranger, he was a stranger, he reached for his gun, I grabbed mine first, I shot him. It's complicated, right? You can in fact get off for murder by saying that I was abused, I thought he was going to kill me, and even though he wasn't going to kill me, I thought he was. So I think both of these cases are prolific right now for every legal mind, and I'm really curious to see what happens with both, because both of them have a different flavor on this defense.